So second step. So far I was talking about designing the syllabus. Our second step is opening the course. So you have to welcome the students. You have to attract the students in joining the classes. So for that, you have to send welcoming. It should be a friendly server. You should welcome the students by email, class-wide introductions, and all those things. So we emphasize the syllabus in a better manner. So that is the most important thing that we have got in online teaching. So I am coming to the conclusion. Communication is more important. We have to nurture the learning community by way of group emails, class-wide announcement, discussion board. So that is again another important aspect of online classes. We should have a threaded discussion. The thread should go without any break. So we should make the students participate in this online classes without any break. And finally, to come to my own personal experience, I attended 2 online courses organized by World Bank. That is on macroeconomics, gender, and poverty reduction, globalization, these aspects. I made 50 of my students to sit with me or at their respective browsing centers, and they finished the courses. That is, it is a 3 months course. So we joined without paying any admission fee. There was no cost at all except the internet browsing charges. So nearly 50 students can finish the course within 3 months. And they got certificates from World Bank. It's a beautiful certificate. And not only that, the information, the excess information that we could get, it was enormous, which I could never get from my own libraries. Of course, we know we have got all these infrastructure problems in almost all the colleges and universities. But this online class conducted by World Bank made the students get the information, lot of information, which we can never get from any of the books that we have got. So that is really useful. Online classes, it is useful. Of course, we have got lot of issues, lot of problems, which makes us now to go through the online classes very easily. But still, when you see the benefits, it's enormous. So when you think of the benefits, don't think of the cost, and then we will achieve it. Thank you.